Next, second one is other base system to decimal number. To convert number system from any other base system to decimal number system, you have to follow just 3 steps. The first step is determine the base value of source number system that you want to convert, and also determine the position of bits from least significant bit. That is, first digit's position is 0 and the second digit position is 1, and so on. The second rule is multiply each digit with its corresponding multiplication of position value and base of source number according to the number system's base. The third rule is add the result value in whatever the second step we got it. Now let me just explain how I am going to use the example, the rules for framing the example, what are the very important points. So in the first row we are seeing the digits. The first row contains the digit of numbers that is going to be converted. Next, in the row 2 contains the position of each digit in the number system. And in the row 3 contains the multiplication, that is digit into base to the power of position. Next, in the row 4 contains the calculated result of whatever the third step we got it. And the last step is, and then add each value of the last step, that is the D step resulted value is the decimal number. Now let us see the example, binary to decimal conversion. So the binary number is 110000001111. So this is the binary number. Now let me take the binary number and its positions as well. So the positions are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So now the first value 1 into 2 to the power of 0. The second value is 0 into 2 to the power of 1, 0 into 2 to the power of 2, 1 into 2 to the power of 3, 1 into 2 to the power of 4, 1 into 2 to the power of 5, 0 into 2 to the power of 6, 0 into 2 to the power of 7, 0 into 2 to the power of 8, 0 into 2 to the power of 9, 0 into 2 to the power of 10, 0 into 2 to the power of 11, 1 into 2 to the power of 12. So this entire 1 into 2 to the power of 13. Now after writing this, we need to evaluate the individual value. So 1 into 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 0 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1. So here 0 into something is 0. Now taking this in the third bit position, 1 into 2 to the power of 3, that is 8. 1 into 2 to the power of 4, that is 16. 1 into 2 to the power of 5, that is 32. Remaining all are zeros. The last 1 into 2 to the power of 12 is 4096. 1 into 2 to the power of 13 is 8192. Now if you add these all numbers, that is 8192 plus 4096 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 1, the total result is 12345, which is 12,345. That is the exact decimal number which we got from the binary number. So binary to decimal conversion we can perform in this way. Next one is octal to decimal conversion. Let me take one octal number 30071. Now 30071, the positions are 0, in 0th position we have 1, in the first position we have 7, in the second position we have 0, third position we have 0, fourth position we have 3. So 1 into 8 to the power of 0, 7 into 8 to the power of 1, 0 into 8 to the power of 2, 0 into 8 to the power of 3, 3 into 8 to the power of 4. So 1 into 8 to the power of 0 is 1. Next 7 into 8 to the power of 1 is 7 8s, that is 56. 0 into something is 0, 0 into something is 0. 3 into 8 to the power of 4 is 12,288. Now if you add 12,288 plus 0 plus 0 plus 56 plus 1. So the result will be 12,345. So the decimal equivalent number which is of the octal number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is how you can perform octal to decimal conversion. The next hexadecimal to decimal conversion. Let us take the hexadecimal number as 2D516. The base here is 16. 2D5 is the hexadecimal number. Now 2D is nothing but 13 and 5. So 5 is in 0th position, D is in first position, 2 is in second position. 5 into 16 to the power of 0. Next 13 into 16 to the power of 1. D is 13 here, that is the reason I am taking here it as 13 into 16 to the power of 1. 2 into 16 to the power of 2. Now 5 into 16 to the power of 0 is 5 into 1 is 5. 13 into 16 is 208. 2 into that is 16 square, we will be getting it as 512. Now 512 plus 208 plus 5 will give 725. So the hexadecimal number is 2D5. The equivalent decimal number for this is 725. Now 725 is having the base 10. 2D5 is having the base as 16.